Welcome to a quick guide on enabling birthday notifications in the Facebook app on PC with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop when friends' birthdays roll around, this step-by-step will have you set in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You'll land on your newsfeed, ready to dive into settings without hunting through menus. Look to the top of the screen and click your profile photo to access your personal menu. This is your hub for everything related to your account. From there, you'll see settings and privacy. Click that and you'll reveal a few options. Choose settings to reach the more detailed controls for your account and app behavior. The journey to birthday reminders continues here, where you can tailor what notifications you receive and how you see them. On the settings page, locate notifications. This is where Facebook keeps all the alerts you get, from comments to friend requests. Click Notifications to open a focused panel that lets you manage each category individually. Within the notification settings, you'll find an option labeled Birthdays. This is where you customize how birthday reminders come to you. Click Birthdays to adjust its behavior. You'll see the toggle or switch for Allow Notifications on Facebook. Enable this option so you won't miss your friends' special days. Once you've turned on Allow Notifications on Facebook for birthdays, you're all set. Facebook will start delivering birthday reminders according to your preferences, ensuring you will be there with a timely wish or a thoughtful message when the day arrives.